Have you ever wondered how Brazilian real estate funds work? Well, let's dive into it. Brazilian real estate funds, better known as FIIs, are clever investment tools that let you dip your toes into the exciting world of real estate without having to deal with the hassle of owning property. Picture this. You're part of a collective venture in real estate, but instead of dealing with tenants, maintenance, and all the nitty-gritty, you have highly skilled professionals handling all the heavy lifting. These experts make informed investment decisions, managing your stakes in commercial and residential properties, shopping malls, or even parking lots. The beauty of it all? You get to sit back and watch your investment grow. So, in essence, Brazilian real estate funds provide an opportunity for anyone to invest in the lucrative Brazilian real estate market without the hurdles of property ownership. Now, isn't that an interesting prospect? Brazilian real estate funds come in many flavors, each with its unique characteristics. Let's delve into the different types to help you understand their nuances better. We'll primarily focus on three types: equity funds, mortgage funds, and hybrid funds. Equity funds, as the name suggests, invest directly in income-generating properties. These might include office buildings, shopping centers, or residential complexes. The income comes from the rent paid by tenants, making it a popular choice for investors seeking regular returns. Mortgage funds, on the other hand, invest in real estate mortgages. The income here is generated from the interest paid on these mortgages, offering a steady income stream with a different risk profile. Finally, hybrid funds offer a blend of both worlds. They invest in a mix of physical properties and mortgages, providing a diversified exposure to the real estate sector. The type of fund you choose should align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Why should you consider investing in Brazilian real estate funds? Well, there are several compelling reasons. First, these funds offer the potential for high returns. Brazil's real estate market has been booming, and this growth is reflected in the performance of its real estate funds. Second, these funds provide a means of diversification. By investing in a fund, you're not putting all your eggs in one basket, but rather, spreading your investment across a range of properties. This can help to mitigate risk and balance your portfolio. Third, investing in a Brazilian real estate fund gives you access to professional management. These funds are managed by experts who understand the market and have the skills and knowledge to make informed investment decisions. Lastly, there's the possibility of receiving monthly income from the funds. This can provide a steady stream of income, which can be particularly beneficial for those looking for a passive income source. These advantages make Brazilian real estate funds an attractive investment option for many investors. But what about the tax implications and long-term prospects of investing in Brazilian real estate funds? When it comes to taxation, Brazilian real estate funds, or FIIs, offer a unique advantage. Profits earned from these funds are taxed at the source. This means that the tax is deducted before the profits are distributed to investors. Now, what does this mean for you as an investor? Simply put, you don't have to worry about additional tax liabilities. The tax handling is taken care of by the fund itself, freeing you from any extra paperwork or calculations. Now let's talk about the long-term aspect. Brazilian REITs are designed for investors who are willing to stay invested for an extended period. They are not a quick flip investment. These funds thrive on the steady growth of the real estate market and can offer substantial returns over time. Despite the tax aspect, the long-term potential of Brazilian real estate funds can make them a worthy addition to your investment portfolio. Interested in diving deeper into the world of Brazilian real estate funds? That's the spirit. The world of investments is like a vast ocean, and knowledge is your compass. There's no shortage of resources available to help you navigate. Financial websites are treasure troves of data and analysis. They can provide you with comprehensive details about the performance of various funds and the real estate market trends in Brazil. Investment blogs are also valuable resources. They often feature personal experiences and insights from seasoned investors and experts in the field. And let's not forget financial advisors. They can provide personalized advice based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. They can guide you in understanding the nuances of Brazilian real estate funds and how they can fit into your overall investment strategy. With the right information and guidance, you can make informed decisions about investing in Brazilian real estate funds.